Hello everyone, this is Harry from Iris Communication. Here I am with Samsung Galaxy S2. In this video I want to show you how you can disassemble Samsung Galaxy S2. For this what we need, I will use a Phillips 4-headed screwdriver, a small one. I will use a flat-headed small screwdriver. Okay, what more? And I will use a card. This is something as a credit card. Surely you have to turn off the phone. You have to remove the back cover. Here I remove the back cover and remove the battery. And remove the SIM card. Done. What else? If you have SD card, I don't have SD card in this, remove the SD card too. After removing all this, you have to remove a loose 7 screw. Here you have 1, 2, here you should have 1. I don't have because I lost it, whatever. Here is 3, or 3 is here, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it. I already lose some of them. Okay, so I can do it fast. Okay, here I am again after losing all those screws. What I have to do now, I use this card and I make a place in between those two covers and I lose. After doing that, the cover should come gently. Don't worry about the power button. As you see, the power button is come out from here. Save it, should not lose that. And also the volume button should come out. If it's not come out, take it as this, put it some safe place. Now what I want to show you, for remove this circuit board, how you can do this. You have 2 screws, but before doing anything, you can take off these parts that make vibration, and the mic hole and the speaker hole. For that what you need to do, the flat-headed screwdriver, just gently touch here. Is this, sorry for the light. As you see, this is the connector, one connector of 3.5mm jack. You have to disconnect it gently. As you see, I disconnect it. Fine. Okay, now try to take this off. After pushing a bit here at these parts, something as a magnet is coming out all. Okay, as you see, this should come all together, and here is the connector. Should be careful about this, should not break any ribbon. Okay, put this one side. After that, here is one camera. Okay, for take off the camera or replace the camera, you have to take the circuit board, or for changing the display, you have to take off the circuit board. Okay, for taking off the circuit board, we need to lose 2 screws. One is here, as I show you already, and one is here. So after losing 2 screws, I will come. I lose those 2 screws and I put one side. What I have to do now, I have to disconnect the antenna cable. As you see, this is connected, and what I have to do, carefully put the small screwdriver at the down and disconnect it. Okay, this is disconnected. I have few more connector. Here is one connector that is connected with the display. This is the main connector of the display. The display is only connected by this connector. So you want to change your display, if you can remove this connector from here as this. Gently it will come out so softly, and you can put one side and tape it, and you can connect your new display directly, and you can connect the battery at the same time, and you can check your new display is working with the phone or not. It's so much easy. What you need to do, to put this one side and put some tape, and you can connect your new display. It will be some connector as this. You have to connect here, and you can put the battery on, and here is the power button. You can click the power button with the screwdriver for a few seconds, and the phone should be on. If the phone is on and you see the display is working, that means that your new display is fine. Okay, whatever. Now I want to remove all the connector and want to remove the main board from the phone. Okay, here I have one more connector. I will try to remove this gently without any hurry. Okay, as you see, I disconnect this one. What more? This one is disconnected. Here I have two more connector. Here is one, here is one. The blue one, blue pill of matrix. Okay, whatever. I disconnect this one and the other one too. After disconnecting this one, all should be loose. You should not have any more connector anywhere. And before try to remove this, here you have the power button. Should be glue at two-sided. You should be careful to remove this, as you see, because you should be careful about the ribbon. As you see, the glue is coming out. It's fine. And this side you have glue too for buttons or volume. Okay, now I will try to remove the motherboard. As you see, it's coming out. As you see, it's come out all fine. Here should be this side, as you see, should be some glue. And as you see, the power button, as you know, the power button has some glue, and this is a speaker button too, the volume buttons. Okay, this is the motherboard or the main board of Samsung Galaxy S2. Here is the slot for the SD card. Sorry, here is a slot for SIM card, and this is, I think, of the memory card. And here is the camera. As you see, this is the camera. Okay, you can disconnect this connector from here, and you can remove the camera, and you can replace the camera too. Okay, here you have the display and nothing else. Some additional antenna here. By removing these two screw here and here, you can remove easily this antenna, and you have the port, micro USB port. Here it should come all together. Here you have some cable, some ribbon, as you see is connected with these two connector, so it should come all together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much as fast as possible. And as always, for more information, go to the IRIS Communication, www.iriscommunication.com.